Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have GMT token daily update. We are going to see the next targets. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's start. So, what do we have right here for GMT against USDT chart on the daily frame is that we are having a nice spinning top. What does this mean? It is a bearish candlestick pattern. To be honest with you, I don't usually trade with candlestick patterns because sometimes we get different candlestick patterns in each platform. So on Binance we might have another, on Coinbase we might have something different. I only trust the bottom top tweezers and some other candlestick patterns that have targets. Okay. But in overall, we are seeing a spinning top right now. We talked about that GMT had a very huge risk where we were yesterday, and of course you should be exiting. Now we are today on a minus 5%, and we are going to see what is next for GMT and where can we possibly go. Let's go to the lower shorter time frames. Here you can see that we had a rejection going on. We have seen it a couple of times before and we just kept continuing going higher until we had a buying pressure. Can we do something like that now? Well, yes, but at the same time, look at that. We have a crazy high risk. Continuous bearish RSI divergence, not on the 4-hour frame only, but on the daily frame as well. You should be extremely careful from now on. We might do not have the dynamic in what we need to go and actually to approach new targets to the highest point possible. We might be going and probably we will be going, consolidating and correcting for the next few days. Let's go to GMT against Bitcoin chart. This is the growth curve right here of GMT against Bitcoin. Right now, I think that we are going to see it falling down from this growth line, this growth curve of the right here. I have the logarithmic scale. Okay, so you can see that what we have done against Bitcoin is something amazing for GMT. We have totally outperform it, but right now maybe it is the time to know where to stop. Okay, I'm going to go to the regular scale again, and what we are going to see is that, and what we are going to do actually is that we are going to draw a nice Fibonacci from the bottom back here on 21st April to the top back on 27. And you can see that we have some more support levels. Right now, we might be falling down to 0.408722 and to 0.407944. Even if we see something like a buying pressure or so, do not think that we are going easily to go even higher. Okay, we might be having this pattern right here with some lower highs and lower lows as well, leading to further rejection for GMT against Bitcoin chart. This 0.407944 in particular is a very strong support level, and we will find eventually buying pressure around there. Anyway, let's go back to GMT against USDT chart. Right here you can see that if I draw the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, we need to hold today the 0.5. If we do not hold it today, the 0.5, we are probably going to go further down into the 3.43, into the 3.23, and after we are going to fall down even lower. Okay, we could possibly be falling down to 2.70 and so on. However, for now, I would suggest you to just not buy GMT against USDT chart. If you want to buy, then I would suggest you just to watch it. Okay, observing the market is not always bad. Sometimes not doing any trades is for your best. Okay. And if you observe the market and if you see if you're right or wrong, if you write them down what you are doing and you are not biased, you might succeed in trading. So I would suggest, what would you do in GMT? For yourself, right? I might be wrong actually. We might not go further down. Okay, and you might trust the GMT and you might say that we are going further upwards. Are you going to buy? And if you're going to buy, what is GMT going to do next? You need to write them down, and if you are right, then perfectly fine. Okay, you need to do it in multiple trades. Anyway, 3.43, 3.23 USDT, the next support levels as we are having here. If we fall down from the 3.23, things are going to look bad and we are going to go all the way down below the 2.90, but this is for another video. I'm going to do an update, so do not worry about that. Right now, we should be all careful. From yesterday, we should be careful, but if you're late to the party, if you have bought at the top, then be patient. Okay, if you have bought here, then I would suggest you to take some profits out. This is it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon. Bye.